Hi there! Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite fast DIYs. We're making autumn spice room spray or bathroom spray. So this is, I believe, a 2-ounce spray bottle, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops. I would say 3 to 4 drops of orange, clove, cinnamon bark, and nutmeg essential oil. Now, if you don't have all of these different essential oils, then you grab Thieves because it has a lot of those in there, and maybe even add orange. And then you can alter this for if you want it stronger scented, or if you like orange a lot, add a little bit more orange. I love clove, so I think I'm gonna add the most clove. It's having a hard time coming out. And then all you do is add a splash of witch hazel to help emulsify it and fill it up with distilled water. And why not have fall all the time, right?